Hi world, welcome back to my channel, Themakeupphase, and for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today I want to make this, today I want to make this video kind of quick, but I will be doing a quick little review of some Arbonne products. So a lovely friend of mine was kind enough to send me a few little samples so I could try out and see what I think. So here are my thoughts. So she gave me kind of a mix of different things. So there was a little bit of skincare, there was just also some like supplemental kind of things. So I got a chance to kind of try a semi-range of what they offer. If for those of you who are not familiar with Arbonne, they are the like MLM kind of multi-marketing companies. So they are going to be priced a little differently than your typical products that you would find maybe at like Sephora or Ulta or at the grocery store. Overall, I think I liked their like supplement kind of stuff. I think that was by far priced the best, and as overall like just ingredients and just how I liked it in general, that was probably the best for me. So I was given some fizzy little sticks. So I have one of these little sticks that I used. It is an Energy Fizz Ginseng Fizzy or Fizz Stix, and the flavor blood orange. So this was probably by far my most favorite product that I tested out. I absolutely loved it. I was feeling a little bit under the weather, and I added just a few of these mixed in with a little bit of like Emergency, and I just had such an amazing boost, and the flavor is tremendous. And the box, let me see, I do have this noted. So the box itself, I think I have it here. So many little stickies. Okay, so the box is $55, and I guess if you're like a partner or something, it gets like reduced down. But overall, price-wise, like I thought this was actually pretty good. It comes with 30 sticks, so at the end of the day, if you're paying like 55 bucks, it comes out like $1.80 per little like packaging. So honestly, like I thought that was actually pretty like good for the pricing level, and it gave me such a wonderful like little boost. It does fizz, and then I love anything with ginseng in it, so that was probably my top favorite thing. I did get this like really awesome like green tea with I think ginger in it. I unfortunately threw away the package on accident, but that one was also really good. The flavor was really great, because I love a really great tea, and not always are the teas going to have like this, you know, such a like flavor, like full tasting amazing all the time, and that's okay. But this one actually had a really like awesome taste, and I wish I could show you, but unfortunately I threw away the little package. I did get the protein shake mix 2 in the chocolate flavor. So this is a vegan protein. It is combined of peas, rice, and cranberries. That seems to be its main thing. Not my favorite. I usually tend to stay away from like chocolate flavored like plant-based stuff. It just never usually comes out the way you want it to. So yeah, not my favorite. Usually if I'm gonna do like a plant-based, I want to stick with something that kind of measures up. So like the last one I had was like a blueberry flavor, and that was a little closer to being a little more plant flavoring. So yeah, not my favorite. Definitely the Energy Fizz and the green tea was amazing. So flipping it over, now we're going to move on to the skincare portion. Okay, so I was given 2 sets. I was given a SuperCalm line and the AgeWell. So here are the sample of the cleansers. They were like little bitty things, so I got to try them like twice. My favorite was definitely the AgeWell. I really liked the way the formula was. I got to use it like thoroughly, so I used the cleanser, the serum, and the moisturizer. So I used it at night, and when I woke up, it was really nice. Like my skin didn't feel dehydrated, felt very, very hydrated, and didn't wake up really oily. So that was really, really a nice plus. My initial thoughts on the cleanser, I think it's a little overrated for its price range. Especially since it's claiming to be, you know, with these like key ingredients, looking at the actual ingredient list, it doesn't really measure up. So I don't feel like it's one of the things that I would like to spend, you know, as much money on. It retails for 46 bucks at a 3-ounce bottle. So especially since it doesn't have a whole lot of its key ingredients, it's falling way less. I think you're better off, you know, spending your money on something else that you like. But the collagen serum and the moisturizer were actually really, really good, and they actually have the key ingredients that they say they do. They do actually just tend to kind of go more on the pricier side. So the serum retails at $70, and you're looking at a bottle like something like this. So I mean, it's not bad. My only thing is, like, for a brand that's not like a well-known, like super like good jean, Sunday Riley, or like a La Mer, you know, to spend that kind of money is a lot. And then for the moisturizer, it retails at $90, and you get it at this kind of sizing. So this is a 1.7 ounce. It's gonna look like something close to this. But overall, as far as like the ingredients part of it, it was a little closer than the cleanser was. They just do come with a really, really high price tag. I wish it was a little like either like cut in half. I think it would be a little bit more reasonable. But yeah, overall, just initial thoughts and just usage and how I saw like what happened with my skin. The AgeWell was definitely my favorite. The next one is SuperCalm. So SuperCalm is supposed to be really geared towards people who have sensitive skin. Both of them actually can be used for sensitive skin because of the ingredients that they use. So I had the cleanser, and then I also had the soothing hydrator with tiger grass blend. There was no wow for me. Like I really didn't notice anything. And then, you know, being priced at $32 for the cleanser and $44 for the hydrator, while it's not like an outrageous price to spend on skincare, I just didn't find it like anything extraordinary. Plus the ingredient list didn't match up to like what they were kind of just creating this wow to. So I mean, they kind of mentioned things like using ashwagandha and tiger blend and this other different extract. When it comes down to it and you really look at exactly how it's all composed, it's down at the bottom. So I mean, the usage of it is very, very little. So, you know, I feel like you're kind of doing the opposite, and you're probably just better off like saving yourself some money and just going to Target. So not my favorite. I don't think it's really worth it. But the AgeWell was definitely, I feel like, a little bit better if you have the budget to spend on it. So that is kind of my overall like quick little review of Arbonne. Again, my favorite thing was these Fizzy Stix. I think they were actually really worth the money, and the flavoring was really, really great. So I would probably go for this over like anything else. Oh, I did get like a mascara, but I really haven't. It's really hard to try with samples like these. One, because like this is not the actual brush that it comes with most of the time, so it's hard to judge on that. And I mean, for the most part, mascara is mascara. The brush is really kind of what makes the difference for the most part. Yeah, that's pretty much it that I have on this. But yeah, if you were looking for something to try, you were curious about Arbonne, those are my initial thoughts on some of the samples that I've tried. Again, their pricing can be a little out there. So, I mean, there are great products, like I said, like this one, where it actually is reasonably priced. And it's something that, you know, I generally feel, whether it really does anything or not, I felt better. So yeah, do your own research. If not, you can always ask for one of these really awesome like catalog things so you can look for yourself. And yeah, until next time, thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for other videos. Bye guys.